Hi everyone, so here it's Philip again, and today we're gonna go to DevFest London. So, and for today will be totally different because the previous DevFest was a local DevFest in Jeddah. I think there was around 200 attendees or 300, maybe I will just confirm at the comment. And it was like a high school and a DevFest, so we have like that's youngest group, and that's a really important thing because we need to prepare the future of the community. So that's a nice thing to do when you are like showing those technology and introduce them to the community and show how works the community. That's it's a really great job. Congrats, Andrew. And today the event will be for around 1,000 attendees. Today will be a different experience, and I'm curious to see it. That's massive fast. So the workshop will be at 10 a.m. and after I will just walk around, take some shots, and during the afternoon I will be the mentor for the code labs. We're gonna have these code labs area, so if you wanna also enjoy and learn something about web, please go there. I will be there. And when I'm on the way to come back to Dublin, I'm gonna close that video. So now I can prove, let's see that I can prove that I'm here in London. There's a London Eye here, that's there. At the conference I will show a few images about the conference, and I'm gonna share in the end my feedback, my experience, how was that. So just to close the video now, I'm going back to Dublin now. The experience was really nice. It was like a massive DevFest. They have like 4 different tracks and 35 speakers. And the audience, for me, my workshop was really easy because the level of the audience just helped to deliver the whole content. And now I'm just get ready for DevFest Galway. I'm going next week, DevFest Galway, and there I will run a different subject. I will do a talk about machine learning. And yeah, during the event I just follow the web track when I had time, because most of the time I was just at the code labs area. I just had the time to help like one person, but it was a really nice time. Like I had a really good conversation about animation and how to build things. And so the next one will be Galway, and if you are around Galway, please just go there. For that time I will change the subject. The subject will be machine learning, and there we're gonna talk about machine learning, and we're gonna do a talk for, I don't know how long it is, but let's see. I think it was 49 minutes. For me, I will be the last talk there, and that's it, guys. So see you soon, and until the next video. And so see ya, bye.